Hello guys, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone doing good. Today I'm going to making steamed tofu with the peanut sauce guys. But before I'm cooking, please don't forget support my channel. It's very easy to supporting my channel by pressing that subscribe button, like and share. Okay, thank you guys. So now I'm going to use 30 pieces of tofu and 10 tablespoons of starch and 5 tablespoons of flour. I put together already guys. And 16 pieces of red onions, 3 pieces of garlic. I can blend all the spices right now. Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to put all the spices on the flour, and I'm going to add teaspoon of beef flavor and tablespoon of white pepper. I already carry all the red onions guys, and now I'm going to fry all the red onion first. Fry until turn a little bit brown guys. Just like that, good enough. I'm going to put it on the flour. And I'm going to add 100 milliliter of hot water. I'm going to put it little by little first. Mix it first. I'm going to put it a little bit more. Mix it again. Mix it well first guys. Okay, it's good enough. You don't have to put more water guys. And the tofu I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to cut it in half all of them. The tofu I cut it triangle guys. Okay, cut it all of them guys. And now the flour I'm going to put it on top on the tofu guys. Take like around teaspoon, put it on top. But I'm not using spoon, I like using my hands, so done faster. Just like that guys. The second one, do the same thing like the first one guys. I squeeze it a little bit. And I'm going to steam it all of them. I did it all of them guys. Then I'm going to steam it first. Steam it for 15 minutes guys. And right now I'm going to making peanut sauce. I use 100 gram of peanut. And I'm going to add 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaf, 3 pieces of chili, 2 pieces of garlic. I'm going to fry the chili and the garlic first guys. Fry the garlic and the chili, turn a little bit brown first. And after that, put peanut in. Fry the peanut together. But don't fry peanut too long guys. As long already turn a little bit brown. Just like that, good enough. And now I'm going to blend all the peanut with the all spices. I'm going to put a kaffir lime leaf too. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to blend it together. Half teaspoon of salt. And 50 milliliter of water. I'm going to blend it first. Okay, it's good enough now. I'm going to saute with the oil guys. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. I'm going to mix it first. And I'm going to add half teaspoon of beef flavor. And 100 milliliter of water. Cook it for 30 seconds guys. Keep mixing. Okay, it's good enough. I'm going to take it out now. Okay, this is steamed tofu and peanut sauce guys. Let me try first right now. The peanut sauce is not spicy at all guys. The tofu is a little bit chewy guys because it have flour on it, but it tastes really good. The peanut sauce tastes so delicious guys. This is the peanut sauce, cooked perfectly, not too much water, but it tastes so delicious guys. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys, have a great weekend. Love you all guys.